Okay, hi everyone. So this is C. Anshuman Tandon and I'll welcome you towards the journey of creating Consultive. So Consultive is a dream of mine, which is basically a platform which I'm going to create not only for providing financial services, but it will also going to teach people the correct meaning of what finance is, what tax planning is, and different concepts which are currently there into the finance environment. Also, I'll try to incorporate the use of technology into the finance as well. So yeah, it's going to be not only a place where you will get your financial services done, but also it's going to be a place for the financial learning hub. And also, it is very special for me. Reason being that although I have built quite number of websites in to the past, but this time I am taking it very serious, and I am not using any of the less coding tools or the templates which are required for creating a website, although there is a lot of coding required into that as well. But yeah, this time I am preparing my own theme for my own website, and it was a very hard thing to do. So for brief, I'll tell you that I'm using WordPress in the background because although I can create this website directly as well, but why I'm using WordPress is because it has blog functionality. And if I'll create my website, I have to use any third party for blogging, which I don't want to use. So this is the although I'll be using there are very useful features into WordPress, and I might be using some of them in future. But as of now, the primary purpose of taking WordPress as a base is that it is going to help me with my blogging. Now the second part is where I'll tell you the hardship in preparing it. So like although being a chartered accountant, I have a uh, interest in learning coding as well. And although even though after preparing it into Python first, because I am good in Python, I was still not able to upload it on my server because my server was not accepting Python directly, so I have to move to PHP. So this is the second language that I am learning right now for building my website, and this time I'm taking a complete new theme. I'm preparing my own theme, and to do it, after doing a lot of search on Google or after doing a lot of research, taking different videos, different courses, I have come to the conclusion that there are very specific files that I have to build in order to treat website as a custom theme into WordPress. Direct website upload is not possible into it. So now, after doing all of this, I was able to complete the basic structure of my theme, and you can see on the screen that how it is visible right now. So now my theme is all set, and now I have to build a very big portal onto this. So this portal is not only going to help me provide financial services, but also it's going to be a learning hub, and also I'll try to integrate shop or maybe some courses into the future. So this is going to be a very complex concept, and although I can get it done by any third party, but I really want to do it by myself. Two things, because I want to learn the automation and everything into the coding part, and also I want to have 100% control of Consultive into my hands. So these are two major objectives that I want to follow. So this is something that I am building, and this is a journey where I want you all to be included so that you will learn the hardship that is there, and also I just want to record it for my own journey purposes. So yeah, this is something that's why I'm building this website, and also I'll be using this channel to not only teach you about finance or finance automation, but I'll also move into different tools that new age chartered accountants can use to automate their tasks and to increase their efficiency. So this is something that I'm going to teach on this channel, and also there will be a lot of finance text and the stock market concepts that I'm going to teach. So this is the primary plan, but yeah, it's going to modify and I'm going to add a lot of things into it. So this is the starting of my journey. Let's see how much good it's going to be. So thanks for joining, and stay connected with me by subscribing to my channel so that we'll stay connected, and we'll move on to this learning journey together.